viewers, hope you all are doing well. So our today topic is, do YouTube tags need hashtags? So let's get started. Do YouTube tags need hashtag? You should use hashtags on YouTube because they improve search ability. Optimized hashtag will give you more visibility on social media. For all your related video posting using a hashtags will group keywords and related topics together, which make it easier for our viewers to find. Hope that everyone clearly understand about hashtags. So visit my YouTube channel for more information. So like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.